Switching gears, mastering the art of shifting topics in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, switching gears. This phrase is not just about cars or bikes. It's a powerful tool in everyday English conversation. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it effectively. The phrase, switching gears, originally comes from the act of changing gears in a vehicle. Just like changing gears allows a vehicle to operate more effectively in different conditions, switching gears, in a conversation means changing the topic or focus. It's about shifting from one subject to another smoothly and appropriately. Switching gears is useful in various scenarios. In meetings, when moving from one agenda item to another, in presentations, to transition between different topics or sections, in casual conversations, to change the topic, especially if it's becoming dull or uncomfortable. The phrase is used to signal a change in topic, making it clear to the listeners that a new subject is being introduced. It's a polite and clear way to guide conversations. Let's look at some examples. 1. In a meeting, we've covered the budget updates. Now, let's switch gears and talk about the upcoming project. 2. In a classroom, we've discussed Shakespeare's history plays. Switching gears, let's look at his comedies. 3. In a casual chat, I know we've been talking a lot about work. Let's switch gears and talk about our weekend plans. These examples show how seamlessly you can transition from one topic to another using this phrase. Here are some tips. Prepare listeners. Give a heads up that a topic change is coming. Be relevant. Ensure the new topic is relevant to the audience. Use transitional phrases. Along with switching gears, phrases like, on another note, moving on to, or another thing to consider, are helpful. Maintain flow. Try to find a connection between the topics for a smoother transition. Switching gears is a handy phrase in English, helping you navigate conversations with ease and clarity. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your English language journey. Stay tuned for more insights into English language learning. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.